Sisikapin ng Board of Investments ang pagkakaroon ng 300,000 trabaho sa automotive industry pagsapit ng taong 2022. Ang detalye sa ulat ni George Bandola.
300,000 trabaho sa automotive industry ang target ng Board of Investment sa taong 2022. Kinakailangan lang na mapasimulan na ngayon ang paghimok ng mga local at foreign investors sa mga sektor ng car manufacturing at sa mga car parts at car accessories. Sa kasalukuyang datos ng Philippine Institute for Development Studies, nahuhuli pa rin ang Pilipinas sa mga bansa sa Timog Silangang Asya sa aspeto ng auto production at auto exports.
There are large market opportunities, a growing middle class. We are in a demographic sweet spot, which I've explained earlier. We have a young English-speaking, highly trainable workforce. We have a stable policy environment. We have an industrial policy which would really focus on supporting the growth and development of the manufacturing industry. Strong macro fundamentals, and again, the new industrial policies that I keep emphasizing. And hence, all this with all these good things, the Philippines could really attract foreign direct investment.
Ayon sa Philippine Automotive Manufacturing Industry o PAMI, kumita ng 248.5 billion pesos ang industriya noong nakarang taon. Nakapag-empleyo ito ng 8,000 trabahador sa manufacturing lamang at 68,000 sa car parts, habang 340,000 sa auto supporting industries o mga car accessories.
ASEAN 2015 is coming down the pipeline, and everybody is looking at the second largest demographics in Southeast Asia, second to Indonesia, which is 100 million Filipinos, whose earning range is one of the highest because the middle income is growing, and it's services based, meaning we can go in, manufacture, and we can take over the market because the SME doesn't want to take over ours. So that's the value and that's the mindset that we should have.
Sa pag-aaral ng mga eksperto, tinatayang 170,000 na trabaho sa bawat 100 bilyong pisong investments ang malilikha. Ayon din sa PIDS, mula sa 26%, tataas ng 36% ang bilang ng mga middle income earners ang may kakayahan ng makabili ng sariling sasakyan sa taong 2017. Nangangahulugan na mas dadami pang tatangkilik sa mga bagong sasakyan. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.